Hello everyone, myself Viber, my phone number is 20951A05N3. I'm from section D, Cs, and my subject is probability and statistics. The topic is classical definition of probability versus empirical definition of probability. Classical probability. It is a simple form of probability that has equal odds of something happening. For example, rolling a fair die. It's equally likely you would get A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Selecting bingo ball. Each numbered ball has an equal chance of being chosen. Guessing on a test. If you guess on multiple choice test with 4 possible answers A, B, C, and D, each choice has the same odds of being picked. Formula for the classical probability. The probability of a simple event happening is the number of times the event can happen divided by the number of possible events. Probability of A is denoted by P of A equal to F by N, where F refers frequency or number of possible events. The events occur, and capital N refers to the number of times the event could happen. Empirical probability. Empirical probability, also known as experimental probability, refers to a probability that is based on historical data. Empirical probability, number of times occurred divided by total number of times experiment performed, where number of times occurred refers to the number of times a favorable event occurred. Total number of times experiment performed refers to the total amount of times the event was performed. For example, in a buffet, 95 out of 100 people choose to order coffee over tea. What is the empirical probability of someone ordering tea? Empirical probability, the number of people ordering coffee is 95. Then we get 5 as the number of people ordering tea. 5 divided by 100 are the total numbers. So 5 divided by 100 is 5%. The empirical probability of some ordering tea is 5%. What is empirical probability of getting a result? One time head, second head, third is head. Empirical probability 3 by 3, that is 100%, because 3 times we got head and total probabilities are also 3. The empirical probability of getting a head is 100 in the root. This is about the relationship between the two, other than one being practical and the other being on experimentation, is that according to the law of large numbers, as the experiment is repeated over and over, the empirical probability approaches the classical probability. In the case of the fair coin, as the number of flips increases, the empirical probabilities for getting head will approach 1 by 2, which is same as the classical probability of getting heads.